and welcome to the unboxing of the Philips GC181 heavyweight dry iron. You can see an image of the iron right on top. This is what it looks like. This is basically an iron that you use to iron your shirts and trousers and clothes basically. A lot of information here. It's written heavyweight iron, powerful performance, heavy sole plate that is built to last. Easy to experience, easy to understand temperature settings, modern design, attractive looks with powerful performance. Heavy sole plate with high performance and GC181, which is the model number. It's written right over here. And do we have any more information? More or less the same. And over here we have one extra information, which is 1000 watts. So this is a 1000 watt heavyweight iron for ironing your clothes. This is more or less all the information. I will now open this box and show you what's inside. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box. This is a user manual for the GC181. There you go. This is a user manual. Every information that you want about this particular device you'll find here. It's not the longest manual, but a lot of information is here, so you should read it at least once. And over here, some technical specifications are given. Model number GC181, voltage 240 volts, which is pretty standard. Wattage 1000 watt, sole plate, black American heritage coating. So this is the black variant of this particular iron. And this is what the iron looks like. This is the heavyweight iron. Underneath, notice that this is the black sole plate that this particular box is talking about. This is what it looks like, the sole plate. This is basically the heating iron. This is what you'll use to iron your clothes. Also comes with a handle over here, an ergonomic handle. It has a piano black finish and it's made out of ABS plastic, pretty solid plastic. There is a temperature control over here, right over here, as you can see. And this Philips logo over here and over here. This is basically the base, so you can, rest it like so when you want to. There's also a LED indicator right over here. Finally, we have the cable. This is a pretty thick braided cable. This is at least a meter long, and you have a 3-pin socket, a 3-pin jack on one end right over here. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Philips GC181 heavyweight dry iron. Thank you for watching.